When children play, they're not just passing time. They may be shaping how they think years later. A new study published in the Archives of Sexual Behavior provides evidence that preschool playstyles are linked to how well adolescents can imagine objects rotated in space. Researchers looked at data from the Avon longitudinal study of parents and children, a large project that has followed thousands of families in the United Kingdom since the early 1990s. They focused on play behavior when children were about 3.5 years old and compared it to their performance on a mental rotation task at age 13. Mental rotation refers to the ability to picture an object turning in space and decide if it matches another shape. It's a key part of spatial reasoning, which helps with things like reading maps, building structures, understanding diagrams, and even playing certain sports. Studies have shown that, on average, boys tend to score higher than girls on these tasks, though the reasons are complex and include both biological and social factors. The researchers wanted to know whether early play habits might help explain these differences. When the children were preschoolers, their parents filled out a questionnaire about how they played. The survey captured preferences for toys and activities typically labeled masculine or feminine at the time, like building blocks or dolls. This allowed the team to group children as masculine, feminine, or neutral in their play style. About 10 years later, those same children completed a mental rotation test. Their results showed that children who had masculine typical play styles as preschoolers performed better on the spatial task as teenagers, regardless of whether they were boys or girls. This pattern held even after accounting for other factors like family background, vocabulary, and fine motor skills. The finding suggests that the kind of play children engage in early in life may be connected to how their spatial skills develop over time. However, the study can't say for certain whether masculine play causes better spatial ability or whether children who naturally think in spatial ways are drawn to certain kinds of play. The authors note that early play may create opportunities to practice visualizing and manipulating shapes, which could strengthen these abilities. They also emphasize that both boys and girls can benefit from access to a wide range of play experiences. Encouraging different kinds of play could help support the development of spatial skills in all children. This research adds to a growing body of evidence linking early behavior with later cognitive abilities. It highlights how small differences in childhood experiences can echo through development, shaping skills that become important for learning, problem-solving, and everyday reasoning. You can read more about this study and others like it on scipost.org.